Okay, so the box plot, also known as the, what do they call it? The whisker diagram, is also a good way for you to look at your data. So one of the things that you can know from the box plot, as you can see, the middle line is the median data point. The line at the above and the line below is your top 25 and bottom 25% of your scores. This is your upper quartile and your lower quartile. So I know that the upper quartile here is 82 and the lower quartile is, I don't know, 50 probably. And the median is the interquartile range, which is about 70 is what I guess. Just looking at this, looking at the value here on the right, and this is between two groups. Okay, so these are people who are wishing upon a star, and these are people who believe that it's hard work in order to achieve success out of that intervention. So my box plots give me a pretty good idea. There's a lot of scores here that are in the bottom 25%. It also gives you outliers, and what this number here tells you is that that is data point number 229. So I know exactly where to go in my data. I can pull that out and I can say, okay, did I input data incorrectly, or what do I need to do with this person who has an extreme score? So a box plot can be useful for looking at your data, looking at outliers, and looking at the spread of those scores, the upper top 25 and bottom 25%.